Hardwood floors are beautiful, but it's not the right choice for everybody. Hi, I'm Sean from Floor Concepts. Hardwood floors are probably one of the most popular choices that we install on a daily basis, but it's not the right fit for everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain a few situations where hardwood may not be the right choice. Hardwood and water do not mix, so you want to be careful when you're selecting hardwood that you're not putting it in spaces where there's water that could get into that space. Some spaces that aren't good for hardwood could be spots like basements, bathrooms, kitchens. Some commercial areas don't make sense where there's really high traffic that's going through there. You want to be careful with things like pets can also cause the hardwoods to fail or to be scratched very easily. So these are some things you want to consider when you're putting hardwood in your house. Not to say that it's not a good idea to put hardwood in kitchens and bathrooms. We do that a lot. You just want to make sure that the plumbing is done in those areas correctly and that you don't risk having any type of flood issues. The other thing you want to consider is a lot of light exposure to a floor. Direct sunlight on hardwoods can actually cause them to patina or to change color very quickly. Sometimes in really dry climates, it can actually cause the hardwood to crack as well. So for hardwood, you want to be careful what you clean it with. You don't want to clean it with anything abrasive. There are specific products out there and things that we sell here at Floor Concepts that we stand behind that will protect your hardwood floors for the long haul. You want to avoid things like a mop and glow or some kind of shine product or wax product, mainly because the reaction of those products to the polyurethanes on top of the hardwood can actually cause it to start flaking off prematurely, and you end up with all these flakes all over your house. When you're selecting hardwoods in your home, there's a couple things that you want to look for. One is, do you want a solid core or do you want an engineered core or a plywood core? Those are the two choices really. What the solid core allows you to do is have probably a more consistent look to what a lot of homes in Wilmington, Delaware are like today. A lot of homes that were built in this area have either the 2 1/4 or the 3 1/4 wide solid width. And so if you're matching up to that or you're trying to replace that in your home, that's a really good option to stay with. The other option with a plywood core or an engineered core, it allows you to actually go wider width, which is very popular right now, to go into those 4, 5, 6, and even 7-inch wide widths. The plywood core is structurally more stable, so it's less susceptible to cupping, which can happen with solid cores. With solid cores, because of the humidity that we have here in Delaware, really on the East Coast in general, it can cause things to gap and cup, which we do see from time to time, and really that's just having the wrong product in your house for the climate and temperature that we have here. At the end of the day, the best flooring choice depends on how you live in your home. If you have a large family, lots of pets, heavy dogs, and you need something that's waterproof, sound resistant, even moisture resistant, you're probably going to want to look at some other options outside of hardwood. However, hardwood does add to the value of your house and can be one of the longest floors to last if it's taken care of correctly. That's why here at Floor Concepts, we take the time to understand your wants and desires and match your house with the best products. At the end of the day, we want this to last for you, and we want it to be something that you're proud of for the long term. If you're exploring your options, give us a call or stop into our showroom, set up a consultation. We'd love to look at your home and match you up with the best products. We want you to be proud of your floors.